envision the future with different needs states. So complex surgeries, regenerative medicine, pharmaceuticals, skincare, beauty. Think about from a complex surgery perspective, personalizing a product. It all starts with the patient. So you take a scan of a patient, say they need a hip replacement because, or a hip section replacement because of bone cancer. So we take a CT scan of their hip. From that CT scan, we create a model of their hip, and then from the model we create a design to specifically fit their body. From that design, we print it right prior to surgery, along with any tools that the physician needs, and deliver it directly to that doctor when they need it for that surgery. So it really provides for a personalized solution. We envision the same thing with bioprinting. Using bioprinting to create implants that are real tissue based on a person's specific DNA. Really changing the game for orthopedic surgeries, but also think about regenerative medicine in the use of pharmaceuticals. So testing APIs on a person's specific tissues outside of their body. So you can predict better how they're going to respond to that drug, to that treatment. These are all aspects that we're looking at today. How can we get the technology to deliver on these promises? Pharmaceuticals, specifically tailoring a dose or a specific combination of APIs for a specific person based on their genome, their phenome, and lifestyle. Skincare and beauty, I already talked to the face mask that we announced, but imagine, and this is actually how it is. There's a cell phone app that a person will take a scan of their face. We then take that scan and change it into a design that they select on. Okay, I've got sunspots here, I've got wrinkles here, and I told them they can't scan my face though because I need too much to fix it all. But